unfortunately, there is body work to be done. So if you guys saw my video, I was pressure washing the car, getting it ready for paint. Yeah, I'm about to take it to my friend's house, and I get the hole right here of Bondo cracked. And it leads me to believe that the previous person who did this didn't do it right, because as I'm sanding, you can see these rust or oxidization marks. Most likely he sanded it down, didn't spray it, and water got on it. All this happened, applies the Bondo, and it starts lifting up over time. And as I was pressure washing it, all the paint was just coming off like nothing. And it appears that all this is Bondo right here, but right here it's probably thick, but right here it's not. Right here you can hear it a lot. This is one reason why I hate sanding without water. This just happens. I'm sure you could just go like that, but it's better off just wet sanding. It's a lot better. Excuse the noise in the background. That's my dad vacuuming his car. And so, yeah, I'm done sanding it already. As you can see, it's all feathered. It's all feathered out. And now the only part we want to put Bondo on is going to be right here. This is where we need to put Bondo. It's not even right here. It dips in and it comes back out. So we're just going to put a layer of Bondo right here just to even it out. And as you can see right here, I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick it up, there's oxidization from the underneath the Bondo. So I don't want to spend too much time fixing this, so I'm just going to fix this area right here. I'm going to keep sanding it down to get this part off. Then we're going to apply the Bondo. I'm going to mask the whole area off and throw some filler primer and then some self-etching primer. And yeah, all this is Bondo. You can see the green Bondo right here, Bondo right here. I don't know what the green Bondo is, but I have the gold body filler, and I know that one works pretty good, but I don't know where people keep buying this green Bondo from. I don't know. Is it like auto body specific or what? Because this is the one I'm using. I'm using this one with the Camaro on the front. But professional gold filler, this one's pretty good. I got my sand, I got my what do you call these, pliers, I guess. And I'm just gonna use this old coin bucket that I have that's really old. And one tip you guys should understand, when people are mixing Bondo on YouTube, every time, I swear, I see everyone mixing it on a piece of cardboard. Don't mix it on cardboard. Do you not know that the cardboard will absorb the hardener and it will just be a headache down the road? Just get something that's not cardboard, please, or just put a piece of paper over the cardboard. Sometimes a piece of paper is good enough, but not on cardboard. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. When applying body filler, it's supposed to be like an art, okay? Apply it evenly. Don't be applying it in large chunks, so it could be easy to sand. There's my piece. And quick tip, to clean your spatula, just let it dry. Just let it dry. I know I got a lot of it, but whatever. First, we're going to use some filler primer to fill in all the little imperfections and whatnot. So shake well. Primer is really forgiving. You can spray it whichever way you want, just as long as you don't drip it or start running it, because you're gonna go back and wet sand it so it can be smooth. So this is why I'm going like that. If it was regular paint, then yeah, I would go like from end to end like that, but it doesn't really matter because we're gonna go back and wet sand it. So don't be leaving comments that saying, oh, you contradicted yourself, blah, 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 blah. So yeah. So here's both cars. This is going to have its own video series. This is going to be the Turbo XRS build. We're going to leave that to the side. And this is going to be, well, the Matrix rebuild. So you guys seen these videos. The roof is the original paint. It's actually still pretty glossy, so we're gonna end up polishing it. It doesn't look all that great right now because it's dirty, but well, we're gonna end up cleaning it and it should come out pretty good. So here's the bumper. We got it all removed. I made sure to tell my painter to not worry about nothing underneath the cutouts and to not worry about this part, because we're gonna paint this part right here black, and it should give it a more better contrast. I just feel like there's just too much white going on in the back bumper, and if we paint this part black, it'll look a lot aggressive, a lot more better looking. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, but we first gotta clean up because there's like a bunch of stuff right here. It's really dirty. We're gonna go ahead and clean it right now. It is getting a bit late. It's right now, I believe, 7:30, so sun's about to set. Well, sun is set already, but we're gonna spray paint this right now. I just have the old materials from when I did my Celica bumper rear valence, so I just reused those. I have some of this paint and primer. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it for like a minute or two, and we're gonna go ahead and spray this. I already got everything all maxed off. Should be pretty good, and let's hope I don't get any fisheye. So I got this masked off. I'm gonna end up painting it flat black to match the grill on the Matrix, as we can see. It's black. So we're gonna paint this flat black, match the grill, the top grill on the Matrix, and it should look a lot better. I don't like it how Toyota color matches the grill to your car. It looks really I don't know, it just doesn't look right. It has this it should be flat black always. Should always be flat black. So let's go ahead and do that. Front bumper's finally painted. I really love the way the flat black looks on a white glossy car. Matrix is back. She looks really awesome. I love the way she turned out. Look at this lower grill though. Don't worry, this white part right here, we won't see it until after I put the valences back on. The paint is, I would say, a 7 out of 10. It's not that great, it's not that good. It is shiny, but if you get up close to it, you get a lot of like just dust. There's like the dust that falls when you spray your clear. We did not paint the roof because the roof was all shiny, and we're gonna end up buffing it. What else? So the back, ID badged it. I only put the Toyota badge back on. I painted the lower area black, put the valence back on. She looks really good. It turned out great. For what I paid, I'm okay with it. I mean, it's gonna be a flip. I'm just gonna make money off of it. I don't want to keep it. Maybe I do, but I don't know. I like the way a white and black looks. What do you think, DC5?
It's all right for what he paid for.
Oh man, he did get a lot of overspray though. Check this out. Overspray right there.
All the drips.
Where's the drips at? Right here, right here, right here's one.
That's a fat ass drip.
Yeah. Shit. Who the fuck are you? Anyways, yeah. I was cleaning the car up this morning. Oh crap. Oh, I don't have the keys with me. Anyways, I was cleaning the car up this morning. Hopefully I'm done with it by tomorrow. No, I don't think I'm gonna be done with it by tomorrow because I still gotta get the valances back from paint. By the time I get the valances back, the car should be ready to take pictures and post it on Craigslist. If you're local to where I'm at, shoot me a message if you're interested. I'm most likely gonna sell it for $3,500. It has a brand new 2007 1ZZ. Yeah, it's not brand new, but it has 100,000 miles. New fluids, new radiator, new condenser.